Hi everyone, welcome to the video. Some time ago, years ago, I built some charts to help students with Latin. You can find those for free on my site. Go to resources, go to Latin. When you land on that page, scroll down until you find these guys. It'll say Latin charts PDF. You can download it directly to your computer. Okay. In chapter 3, in lesson 3 of Visual Latin, we started going through something called gender. We started learning about something called gender in language. A lot of languages have masculine and feminine nouns. Some languages, like German, Greek, and Latin, have masculine, feminine, and neuter nouns. Latin, of course, has neuter nouns. On the charts, you'll find the nouns on this second page here, page 2. So let's go there. And let's get rid of that sidebar. Okay. So you'll find here nouns. This is what we're talking about in Visual Latin lesson 3. And we're learning, don't worry about these names yet, second declension, first declension, second declension. We're learning that there are masculine nouns, M stands for masculine, feminine nouns, and neuter nouns. Also, if you're just starting the course, don't worry about these names over here. We'll get to those eventually. You also, in lesson 3 of Visual Latin, don't need to worry about this side over here. Not yet. This side over here is singular, this side is plural. We're not learning plural nouns in lesson 3. We're only talking about singular nouns. This side is singular, this side is plural, this side is singular, this side is plural. Really all we're learning about is this guy right here. So a masculine noun is always a masculine noun. For instance, in Latin, equus means horse, and it's always a masculine noun. In Latin, via is road or street or way, and it is always a feminine noun, so it will end with an A. And donum, which means gift, is a neuter noun. It will end with um. So really, all we're learning in Latin, in Visual Latin lesson 3, is that masculine words for now are going to end with us. I'm going to change this later. But for now, they're going to end with us. Feminine words are going to end with a, and neuter nouns will end with and that's it for lesson 3. Feel free to print these charts out. They're free to you. You can print them out and keep them near you while you work. Hopefully they'll help you as you learn Latin.